Just tuning in. Stuart has called from, is it Curtin? Stuart?
Yes, hi Sheila, how are you doing?
I'm fine, thank you. Yes, what did you want to say?
I just wanted to say I work for an airline, ma'am. I'm cabin crew, and I just got back from Accra in Ghana this morning.
Yeah.
And when I got to Accra on Saturday nights, I tell you what, they had everything laid out. I mean, I thought I was in the surgical ward.
In the airport?
And yes, ma'am. And that is supposed to be a third world country. And they had people dressed up as surgeons. They took our temperature. They did everything.
On your way out of the country?
Yes, ma'am. I went into Accra on Saturday. I came back to Heathrow this morning at 5:30. I walked through Heathrow, not a person there. Not even customs officer. But when I was in Accra, people were lined up being tested. Now, if that's a third world country doing their bit, then I'm very shocked.
You would have expected more here.
Well, would you not, ma'am?
Well, I don't know the science behind it all. I'm trusting my government, not endlessly and not unquestioningly, but I don't know the science behind taking people's temperatures in this instance.
They were just so professional. We had to fill out forms, even as cabin crew, and we had to fill out all the forms saying we hadn't been anywhere, with the coronavirus, i.e., because we fly around the world.
But you have been. I mean, you inevitably will have been to places with coronavirus because it's in so many places, weren't you?
Oh, no, ma'am. We get to request our trips, and I stick to the east coast of the U.S.
Which has coronavirus?
Well, a lot less than China.
Well, that's true of everywhere at the moment.
So I wasn't going to request Hong Kong or Narita in Japan or Haneda in Japan. The thing is, though, it was amazing to me that the Ghanaian officials were so on top of it.
Yeah, well, what you describe is interesting. I'd just be interested in the science behind it as well. Thank you, Stuart. It is